Why smartphone and tablet injuries happen.
Using smartphones and tablets for long periods can lead to injuries. Common problems include neck pain, eye strain, and sore fingers or wrists. These issues are often caused by poor posture, repetitive movements, and holding devices for too long without breaks. Understanding the risks is the first step toward healthier device habits.
Mind your posture.
Keeping good posture helps reduce strain. When looking at your device, hold it at eye level rather than looking down for long periods. Sit up straight, relax your shoulders, and support your arms. Poor posture over time can lead to neck and back pain, so checking your position often is key.
Take regular breaks.
Making it easier to put your device down and stretch your hands, neck, and shoulders. Even short breaks help keep muscles relaxed and reduce strain on your eyes and joints. Setting reminders can make it easier to remember.
Protect your hands and fingers.
Repetitive typing or swiping can cause soreness. Try to alternate fingers, use voice commands, or switch hands when possible. Avoid holding your device tightly for long periods. Look for phone or tablet grips that make holding your device more comfortable, especially during extended use.
Reduce eye strain.
Staring at a screen can tire your eyes. To reduce discomfort, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Adjust your screen's brightness and font size to comfortable levels. Remember to blink often and use proper lighting while reading or watching videos.
Healthy device habits for the long term.
Creating smart habits protects your health. Set limits on daily device use. Use hands-free options when possible, such as headphones or stands, to keep your hands and neck in a neutral position. By making these small changes part of your routine, you can enjoy your devices without the risk of long-term injuries.